Now, Weather Mayor Sam Riker with our DeSoto County Newsroom forecast.
Well, welcome folks to our special edition this evening of the DesotoCountyNewsRoom.com weather forecast. We're going to talk about winter weather possibilities. And first we're going to look at the current temperatures outdoors right now. 31 degrees current temperature. High today was 35, so we've been dropping since 1:15. It's 31 now. We've had a nice northerly breeze ushering in cooler temperatures. It's going to continue to drop overnight down into the middle 20s. Now, we'll take a look outdoors right now. We'll look at our map right now and talk about what's going on. And you look to the east of us, north of Nashville, you see a good bit of snowfall there. Temperatures near freezing, just below freezing in our area. Cooler temperatures as we head back to the west, upper teens in northwestern Arkansas. You don't see any activity on this map right now, but we believe this is going to change. I've been monitoring this all day long for you, and the one thing that's happened during the day is that all the computer models now seem to agree that light snow is going to develop over Oklahoma overnight and move in our direction. Now, this is where the models believe the snow will be at about 3 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if this is true, we'll have light snow moving in at about 2 or 3 tomorrow morning, and it will move across our area throughout the day until the early afternoon hours and then taper off. Now, best estimates of snowfall accumulation in our area now are around 1 inch or 1.5 inches, maybe a little higher totals down in Tate and Panola counties. And then when you get down here south of Starkville, some more snow will fall tomorrow. But for us, snow should be moving in sometime around 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, won't move out until the early afternoon hours. Now, folks, this is going to be a very dry snow. It's not going to be that heavy, wet snow that hits the roads and freezes and glazes over. This is going to be a very light, fluffy snow that the wind will blow around, so our traffic impacts are not going to be as severe, but we certainly cannot rule out impacts to traffic tomorrow morning, particularly on bridges, elevated roadways. So if you have bridges to go across, or you have an elevated roadway that you have to travel across to work or to school or whatever, you need to be aware of what could happen tomorrow morning and take extra precaution. Because of that, I have raised the hazard index to a 2. Now you'll notice a 2 is still low. That means that there will be nuisance icing on bridges and elevated roadways. That's all I think that's going to happen right now, maybe with an inch, 1.5 inches of snow with that icing on bridges and overpasses possible. Our school superintendent here in DeSoto County, Corey Usselton, has issued a statement basically saying that with the uncertainties with the forecast and because there's nothing on the radar to the west of us right now, they won't be making a decision about school closures until early tomorrow morning as they get out and about and they travel the roads and see what the conditions are. So you need to stay close to local media and those important school contacts early tomorrow morning. We agree with the school board's decision to wait until tomorrow morning. I'm Sam Riker. The rest of the forecast looks the same, about a 40% chance of light snow after 2 o'clock tomorrow morning, continuing up until noon or shortly thereafter. Take a look at the rest of the 7-day forecast.